Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to integrate Slack with Asana. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you. This is a fairly simple method and it's very easy to do, and I'm sure you will be able to follow along with me. So guys, anyways, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead, after you can open up your Asana program, let's say you want to use Slack with it. So go ahead to your Google Chrome or your desired Internet Explorer and search for Slack in Google. After that, you'll be greeted by this first result here, which is slack.com. You'll want to enter that. After entering slack.com, here in the upper right corner will be a button to register an account. You want to go ahead and click to try for free, or to either to create an account or to buy whatever you want. As you can see, I have already created an account, and after doing that, you'll be greeted by this main page here in Slack, where you will be able to either create a new workspace or go into a new workspace. So let's say that you do not have all workspace, so go ahead and click create new workspace in the upper right corner. Go ahead, click on create workspace, and you'll be prompted by this page where you will be able to name your workspace, your company team, so on and so on. So let's say we are named tutorials. Let's say we want to skip this step. We do not want to invite anybody at this moment. Let's say we are doing tutorials. Click next. And as you can see guys, now this is created your workspace by my name called tutorials. So the first thing you want to do guys is do the following. You want to go here and click on browse Slack. Click on the three dots on browse Slack. This will open up an array of options that you can choose, and you want to go to the last option right here, which is called apps. Go ahead and click on apps. Clicking on apps guys, you'll be prompted up by this page where you can see all the apps that you can use with Slack. You want to go ahead and search for Asana. As you can see here, I can see Asana, but if you do not see Asana, go ahead, search Asana, and you will be prompted up by this, and just go ahead and click on add on Asana. You'll be prompted up by this page where you will want to click the green button called add to Slack. So go ahead and click on that, and this will open up this message window. You just want to click allow. Don't worry, this will not compromise your security. Everything is safe in Slack. Just go ahead and click allow again, and as you can see guys, now this will open up, tell us that Asana has now been brought to our workspace in Slack. So go ahead, click on open Slack, or just go back. As you can see here guys, if you look down on the left side of the window, you can see down here that there is a new option called apps. You will see Asana. So go ahead and click on Asana right here, and now guys, you will be having a couple options that you can use with Asana. I'm going to be showing you how you create a task using Slack in Asana. So go ahead and type create, excuse me, go ahead, type Asana, and then type create. Type it exactly as I have typed it right here down below in the search bar. Go ahead and click enter, and now as you can see guys, this has opened up the option to create a task in Asana for us via Slack. So go ahead and let's name it tutorials. Search for a project. We have a project in Asana called tutorials. Go ahead, type in the name of your project and just select it. Due date, you can select whenever you want. Type a description, tutorials, goals, so on, and go ahead and click create after you have done everything. Now guys, let's go. As you can see here, it has notified us the tutorial has been created. Do you want to share it in the channel? You can share it in the channel if you want. This will notify all your members, and so on, so on. So guys, as you can see here, now everybody will be able to see you created a new task. So go ahead, back to your Asana, go ahead into the project where you created a tutorial, and as you can see guys here, now here is the task that we just made in Slack called tutorials. So guys, that's how you do it. That's how you use Slack with Asana. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.